Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will learn Vlookup in Excel. In Vlookup, V stands for vertical and lookup means find a particular data from a huge database. So by Vlookup we find a particular data from a database, but the database should be in vertical format. A small database is given here. Suppose I want to find out May month's sales of particular product here. So let's find it by using Vlookup. At first we have to put the formula here. The formula is equals to Vlookup and then first bracket, and then we have to put lookup value. Here lookup value is the product, the name of the product, and then we have to select the table array. The table array is the source table, and we have to select the heading also. We have to select the heading, also the heading of the source table, and then column index number. Column index number is the column number of the table source which data I want to find out. Here the column index number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the May column, the May cell is in the column number 7, so we put here 7. And then range lookup. I want to find out the approximate match and exact match. So I want to find out the exact match, so I put here exact match. So here it is, HP laptop, May 14,965. Here is the answer. Thank you for watching.